In an exclusive reaction to Times Now, Justice Mukul Mudgal has said the Supreme Court is expected to give a verdict on the IPL fixing probe tomorrow. Take a listen.
The Supreme Court has once again made strong observations against Mr. N. Srinivasan. So the Supreme Court has questioned the four-way conflict of Mr. N. Srinivasan, his role as the BCCI chief, the CSK owner, his son-in-law being involved in betting as well as a team official.
Look, these are the posers, probably the question. I don't know what actually happened in the Supreme Court. Supreme Court may have asked these questions to the counsel for the BCCI. It's for the BCCI counsel to answer. I mean, for me to say anything wouldn't be proper.
So the BCCI counsel has in fact denied all the allegations, to which the Supreme Court said that it's really difficult to accept that there is no conflict of interest.
Well, you'll have to wait for the verdict of the Honorable Supreme Court. I believe the matter may finish tomorrow. So you will probably get your answer very soon if you're a little patient.
So the Supreme Court has also said that the people managing BCCI should be aloof and should be above the board.
Well, that's that's for any sport body, not alone BCCI. I mean, that should happen for any sports body.
Srinivasan, in his defense in the Supreme Court, has shown a letter from the former IPL chairman Lalit Modi, in which he has said that he was in fact invited to buy the IPL franchisee Chennai Super Kings. So does the owners also come upon Lalit Modi?
I have no idea about this because I don't know what the letter you are talking about, and the letter is before the Honorable Supreme Court. They will decide what value it has.
So, final question: are you content with which pace this case is moving forward?
Look, what content? Please understand the workload of the Honorable Supreme Court and the other matters of national importance they deal with. So, by taking that into account, the case is proceeding at a very fast pace. I mean, I don't think it's slow at all. I don't know why that impression is there. And the Supreme Court has set aside one full day in the last 2 weeks when the Supreme Court is terribly busy because the winter vacation is approaching. The case is proceeding at a very satisfactory pace.